what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Nuki back with another video. Period. Stop playing. So this video might be like 10 minutes because my camera is about to die. I have like 45 minutes to film this. And yeah, so today, let me tell you, today I'm not gonna look like this. I'm gonna put her on. Yeah, I'm gonna be that girl. Stop playing. So I'm gonna show y'all how to put a wig on yourself. Okay, I'm gonna put y'all on it because I don't pay nobody to do my hair. I do my own hair. Stop playing, I'm that girl. But in order for me to do my own hair, put this wig on, I gotta braid this right here. This gonna take me about 15 minutes, so I'll be back with my hair braided. Cause remember, my camera died, so I can't do that, you feel me? So I'll be back when my hair is braided. You feel me? Man? But yeah, mate, I'll be back, you feel me? Alright, we got one side done. We did 3 braids because I'm braiding this by myself. Okay, and you see this dookie, it's gonna go right under like that. But we got 3 braids. Whew, I know the back is kind of like, but that's fine. The front just gotta be like ooh, flatter than the mud. But I'll be back when I'm on the last braid on this side. Okay. Alright, y'all. So we on the last braid in this book. Yeah. I get my forehead from my daddy. Yeah. But alright, so we're gonna use Shine Gem, slip the edges back. I gotta make this quick because remember, y'all, my camera is dying, so we're gonna slip the edges back. Shine Gem. See that, like sleek? Oh, we're gonna brush them up a little bit. You see my purple in the back? It's like, man, that. But yeah, stick it up. Edges, stick them up too. Yeah, oh, like that. Oh, then we're gonna go like them. And then we just gonna braid them up. I'm finna speed this up, alright? Oh, my arm hurts. Okay, so yeah, that look like these. So we finna just stick them like this one, go under here. You just pull it like that, and this one go under here, and you just pull it like that, like duh. Oh, yeah, I ain't break that one down all the way, but yeah. So now we're gonna put we're gonna get some rubber alcohol, clean this, and put the ball cap on, and I'll be back, okay? So we're gonna take some rubber alcohol, right, and we're just gonna clean this right here. Cause when I did my edges a few days ago, I used Got to be, and like it be sticking sometimes. So we just gotta see what I mean. See what I mean? Like just clean it up, like, cause you know, whatever. Like whatever. Let me get the ball cap, babe. Oh wait. Oh. Yeah. And it come with 2, baby. Not one, but 2, baby. Gonna put it on like this. Like this. Yeah. You cut the ear tabs. I saw this new hack. When you cut the ear tabs, cut behind the ear. We're gonna see if that works. I'm risking it for y'all. Let's see. Ear, top part, In the bottom. Hold on. Hold on. Top part. That ain't changed nothing for me. We gonna use Got2b spray. We're just gonna spray that bee, okay? I can't see y'all, I really can't. And I don't like that. And then we get the blow dryer. Alright, y'all, next step. This is dry. So we gonna go in with Kiss New York Cream Foundation in the color Chestnut. Yeah. So y'all, hopefully this is my color. And I just bought this too. But hopefully this is my color. If it's not, oh well. I'm not going to the stuff. So we just gonna rub it. But it looks so like crazy on there, but here goes nothing. I have a makeup brush sort of kind of for this, but like it's like I don't really use it for this because I use it for my face too. And if I use it for this and then put it on my face, I'm gonna have to like clean my brush. But yeah, whatever. So yeah, so I got my handy dandy scissors. So I honestly cut here first, like cut the band off right here. Not off, but across. So I'm trying not to cut myself, but you know, sometimes it don't work out because I'm too clumsy, and I can't even see for real. So we just gonna pray I don't cut myself. Okay, see, I can see now. Like, look. So yeah, that is back there. Hold it up, secure and bright. Secure. This part right here, oh, I don't know where I'm gonna look at. I don't know if I'm gonna look at y'all or look at them. But we just gonna see. Is there such thing as too dark for my skin tone? Yeah, but they said like use dark foundation for like colored wigs or something like that. So I think that's not enough forehead for me. Well, on the sides it's too much. So I'm just gonna pluck it up a little bit and just like trim it off. Just trim. Put it on the floor because we're gonna clean up when we're done. Hopefully, if I don't get sleepy. So yeah, hold it up. The edges are fine, guys. I hope so. But yeah, so. And then we're gonna get the wig and measure it on our head. So we can see like, if this, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay, this is good enough for me. Honestly, we're just gonna stick to here, okay? We're gonna stick to here. But we gotta cut some of the lace off though, for real. And yeah. Oh, make sure you put your makeup on the lace. Put your makeup on the lace. Put your makeup on the lace. My camera dying, so I'm gonna just tell y'all when I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be back when I have 4 layers of, maybe 3 or 4 layers of the Bold Hold glue right here. That's when I'll be back, okay guys? Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna do it in sections. I just put 1 layer on and I'm gonna put like maybe 2 or 3 layers on, and I'm gonna fan it with the thing, you know, cool air. You should be cool air. But I'm gonna do here and then here and then here. Okay? just comb all this back. Honestly, it's more down on this side than it is on this side. But I mean, like, you can tell because this is covering my freaking ear and this one isn't, but that's fine. That's fine. But now we're gonna put some makeup on the lace. Right on the edge. But I'm put some makeup on the lace and hopefully it blends. Let's see. I don't know. Here, we're just gonna go like this. That good stuff, that good right here. Put it on there. So if you think key is, put on your finger and then you press it on the lace. Press it on the lace. Put on your finger, then you press it on the lace. Put on your finger, then you press it on the lace. And then, oh, I don't have my elastic band. I'm gonna put it right here. Wow. But the thing is, it don't stretch that much. So I think that's kind of good. I don't know. So I'm just gonna go like this. Go like, oh, I hope this work. Cause I don't got an elastic band. So, oh, is my hair too big? Oh no. Okay, so we're just gonna put it like that.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so y'all, I'm back. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna straighten or curl my hair, but I need to decide like right now. I don't know for real. Why is she working? We will figure it the fuck out. See, I got the old fashion spritz and the new fashion spritz. We gonna use both because wait, how does this one come out? Oh no, that won't come out. So we're gonna use that one. We're just gonna use this one. I can freaking like this. Like, oh, this is a used wig, by the way. But yeah, I'm just gonna do some edges right here. Oh, did I put some hair out before I was supposed to? Oh. But yeah, we're just gonna do some edges, y'all. You feel? Oh, that's too much. That's too much. I look the same amount. Go up like that. Take the ends, curl a little bit. You know, it's really good for edges, honestly. Swoop, swoop, and swoop, like that. Then we're gonna just to the ends, and we're gonna swoop like this. But here is it straight. It's layers in here, and I tried to, like, you know, you see them, but they're like uneven. But yeah, this is the wig flat ironed. You feel me? This is the back. So thank you guys so much for my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, you know, do all that. You feel me? And if you want more videos, comment down below what type of videos you want. Oh, cause I feel like that girl. I'm ready to go out. Yeah. Anyways, bye.